Hello students, I'm going to make a quick video to show you about how to upload the forms, upload your documents and your work into forms so I can receive it. You see I have all these forms listed for you here that you should be completing, all these forms. So let's say your autobiography. When you click on that, you'll get the autobiography form to fill out. Well, let's say once you complete your autobiography, here's an autobiography. You complete your autobiography, you simply go to File, and then Download as PDF document. Once you click that, the document will download to the computer. You simply go to the form then, complete the form. That was, let's see, Pastor Hite. First block, August 31st, 2018. I completed my form and here it is. You hit Add File and you'll simply upload it. Select File from your computer because I've already downloaded it. Boom, there's the autobiography. Type it in there and hit Open. The autobiography comes in, is inserted, is uploaded, and then you hit Submit. That way now I've received yours, has been recorded, I've gotten it, and that assignment is totally complete. All right, again, I appreciate you guys emailing me your work, that's great, but I want it in the form. There's one for your personal vision and mission statement that you would upload. So when you get that finished, here's a vision statement. Same thing, File, download it as one of these files. And then when it comes down to it, to upload it, add your vision mission poster. Select the file. STEM poster. Open it and upload it to the document and then submit it. Okay, so make sure you're submitting the work through the form. Okay, I'm using the forms for my grading. So please take your time, and again, if you've already submitted, just email me something. If you email the document to me, go back into the form and submit it through the forms that I sent. That's why I got these on here. Submit it through the forms. It's a great way for me to organize it and keep up with it, and I'll have it. So let's do it like that, okay? Not difficult. If you've already done it, if you submitted to me one time just through email, again, just go back through the form and submit it through the form. Very simple to do, okay? Hey, you guys keep the work up. Have any questions, email me with your questions and whatnot. Should be simple to do. Keep up the good work. Remember, it's going to be a good day. We'll talk to you later.